With our website, you can check the status of orders that you place through any ordering method, not just online. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to view your order status, history, and documents. To view orders, go to your account dashboard by clicking the icon in the top right corner. Select Account Dashboard from the drop-down menu. From your dashboard, you will see your 3 most recent orders. The status of each order is updated in real time. Click on one of the PO numbers to view more details for that order. Once in the dashboard, you can view more orders by clicking Orders in the left menu. This will take you to a page where you can see past orders. You'll also have the option to view orders from different time frames. To search for a specific past order, enter the PO number in the search bar. Click the PO number for more order information. You can access 5 documents for your order, including the invoice, confirmation, pre-delivery manifest, post-delivery receipt, and item by pallet report. We hope this video helps you keep track of orders. If you have any questions, please contact our website support team.